a virtual universe with infinite possibilities from which we can escape into the metaverse. Or increased, fancy way of categorizing augmented reality, encompassing virtual and mixed reality technologies. Talking about the metaverse is a lot like talking about the internet in the 70s and 80s seconds, as the building blocks of the new form of communication are created, led to speculation about how it would look and how people would use it. Looking back, T didn't turn out as some had imagined. Metaverse is considered the next evolution of the internet. Games where people collaborate via a digital fax or their own avatars. Will take many forms, including online communities and business meetings. People live, working. Imagine a virtual world where they shop and interact with others, all from the comfort of your seats in the physical world. Here, this is known as the metaverse. In the metaverse, people represent themselves. They use avatars to communicate with each other and virtually build the community. In the metadatabase, digital currency, used to buy clothes, or when it comes to video games, you guessed it, guns, shields, and many other items can be purchased. Users can also virtually travel through the metadatabase for entertainment with no purpose in mind using a virtual reality headset and controllers. Snow Crash, a 1992 science fiction novel by Neil Stephenson. This is where this term, metaverse, was first used. The metaverse, envisioned by Stevenson, called Street the Street, it is an urban area built around a road 100 meters wide. Users, they can go to any point of this virtual universe by traveling over the street. In real life, it is difficult to say exactly what the metaverse is for now, because there is no fully developed virtual universe. It is possible to perform many different activities in Metaverse, which is envisaged to be a virtual universe. Metaverse-like experiences currently on the market, it can be thought of as a kind of MMORPG game. Within these social VR experiences, participants can participate in various digital activities, can communicate, they can exchange land and goods, and socialize. By designing the avatars they use to communicate with the world, they can change their appearance in the metaverse. Meta Company envisions Metaverse to be a kind of VR internet in the future. In short, it can be thought of as a virtual universe where people do almost everything that can be done on the internet thanks to VR technology. It's really hard to say how the metaverse will affect the world, because there is no ready-made technology yet. For this reason, we can only make predictions and opinions based on the information we have. Of course, experts have some guesses about the possible effects of the metaverse. Here are some of these predictions. Metaverse could be a technology that replaces the internet. We can think of it as an internet that we can experience in first person. Or without completely replacing the internet, it can turn into a platform that allows people to only communicate face-to-face virtual. In another possibility, Metaverse can be accepted as a social media platform that we can experience from the first person. This technology is not accepted by people, or we may see a future in which it has never attained the desired popularity. Just as a single metaverse can be formed that all people accept, many virtual universes produced by different companies can compete with each other, like the current social media platforms. Or on a single metaverse platform, we can see multiple virtual universes. In short, what shape the metaverse will take in the future, it depends on how this technology will be developed and how people will use it. The technologies that will form the basis of Metaverse have already been developed for years. In addition, technologies that we can consider as primitive versions of Metaverse, games and platforms have been coming out for a long time. For example, we can show virtual universes such as Second Life that can be experienced without VR technology. Even MMORPG games can be shown as an example. Virtual environments built on such communication and experience. With the merging of virtual reality technologies, the technologies that can be defined as Metaverse will begin to become completely ready for use. Even now, there are versions of such technologies in development. Meta Company plans to offer the first Metaverse experience to users in 2022. Microsoft is also preparing for this. It is predicted that it will take about 5 to 10 years to develop a truly ready Metaverse. The reason for this is that VR and augmented reality technologies, which form the basis of virtual universes, are not yet fully ready. As you know, virtual reality was once a science fiction dream. In fact, the internet was once a dream, so are computers and smartphones. In short, the future is coming. Here we come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like our video for more such videos. See you in another video. Bye.